At Sapphire, we have many wow moments, moments when dreams actually happen. Here are 10 of our top wow moments since we started our glide-on balcony journey. Firstly, Staines Road. The reason this made us go wow was the fact it was our first ever glide-on project, and to see our dream of installing all of them in one day happened. What's more, despite the rain, we got 22 balconies installed in only 6 hours. The second project that made us go wow was First Central. This was a larger project, but in using the glide-on system, we managed to save several weeks' worth of crane time. Next, we had New Writtle Street in Chelmsford. Here we installed 36 balconies in 10 hours over a weekend. Then came our investment in double-stack trailers. This was another huge move forward for Sapphire, enabling us to reduce carbon emissions and increase efficiencies even further. To solve the industry's headache of bouncy balconies, the launch of our own anchor was another major step forward for us, and the foundation for us being able to guarantee our balcony's rigidity. To save several thousands in crane costs at Woodbury Down, we created a roof hoist to install an entire stack of 30 balconies without a crane. Following on from the tower, next at Woodbury we installed 20 balconies in one day on a modular CLT building, again meaning that the programme and crane costs reduced from over a week to a single day. Panoma Wharf in Manchester. Here, we twice beat our single-day balcony install record, first installing 23 in a day, then installing 34 balconies in just 6 hours, making it one of our most wowing record-breaking moments. Then at Wembley, again we hit 30 installed in one day. And again, another performance worthy of a trophy was the extreme projecting balconies of 2.4 meters achieved just 1.25 millimeters deflection, whereas BSEN standards would allow approximately 14 millimeters of deflection. Explore more of our wow moments at www.sapphire.eu.com.